Let's learn 5 phrases about uncertainty to help improve your IELTS speaking score. We will look at each phrase's meaning, then we'll use the phrase in 2 example sentences, and finally, we'll use the phrase in an answer to an IELTS speaking part 3 question. The first phrase is, I'm not 100% sure. We use this phrase when we think something is true or right, but we want to show uncertainty or doubt about our answer. Here are 2 examples. I'm not 100% sure about what I want to do tonight. People are never 100% sure of the choices they make. Here's the phrase in an answer to an IELTS speaking part 3 question. The question is, do you think sometimes children have to make important decisions? I believe that children are sometimes faced with important decisions, and I'm not 100% sure they should face these decisions alone. While some decisions like choosing extracurricular activities are important for their development, other decisions might need adult guidance as they're crucial for their future. The next phrase is, I'm on the fence about. We use this phrase when we have 2 options to choose from, but we're unsure or unwilling of what choice to make, what option to choose. Let's look at this in 2 examples. I'm on the fence about whether to go to university or just get a job. Investing in stock is something that a lot of people are on the fence about. Let's use this phrase in an IELTS speaking part 3 answer. The question is, do you think the influence of advertising is good? I'm on the fence about the influence of advertising. On the one hand, it can share awareness of services and goods that people can buy or use and help improve economic growth in a country. However, it can manipulate consumer spending and could lead to consumers unnecessarily spending or buying products they don't need. The third phrase is, I haven't made up my mind about. We use this phrase when we're uncertain about a choice or haven't decided which choice to make. Let's use this in 2 examples. I haven't made up my mind about which university to attend. Many people haven't made up their minds about which candidate to vote for in the election. Let's use this phrase in an answer to an IELTS part 3 question. The question is, should students do community service? I haven't made up my mind about whether students should do community service or not. On the positive side, it gives students empathy and responsibility, helping them to understand social issues. Yet, forcing people to volunteer might make them less willing to help people in the future. The 4th phrase is, I'm in 2 minds about. This is similar to I'm on the fence. We are unable to decide from 2 choices. Let's look at this in 2 examples. I'm in 2 minds about accepting that job offer, since it involves moving cities. If you're in 2 minds about who to vote for, you should do more research. Let's use this phrase in an IELTS speaking part 3 answer. The question is, why do students do volunteer work? Students engage in volunteer work for various reasons, and I'm in 2 minds about their primary motivation. On the one hand, many students volunteer to contribute positively to their community. This often helps broaden their minds and helps their personal growth. However, some students seem to volunteer just to improve their resume to help them enter prestigious universities. The last phrase is, to the best of my knowledge. We use this phrase to say something that we believe to be true, but we're not sure if it is true because we don't know perfectly about the topic, or we have a lack of knowledge about that topic. Let's use this in 2 examples. To the best of my knowledge, that is correct. To the best of my knowledge, students in high school in Japan have to choose one foreign language to study. Let's use this phrase in an answer to an IELTs Part 3 question. The question is, do students in your country do volunteer work? What kinds of volunteer work? Although I didn't do volunteer work myself when I was a student, to the best of my knowledge, yes, some students do volunteer work. I believe students do a variety of volunteer work, from helping in homeless shelters to tutoring disadvantaged students. Additionally, while it's not volunteer work, many students participate in fundraising activities for various causes. Let's review these 5 phrases. I'm not 100% sure. I'm on the fence about. I haven't made up my mind about. I'm in 2 minds about. To the best of my knowledge. Try using these phrases in your next IELTS speaking test. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.